Hello children. Now we all know how to use the PowerPoint. Today we are going to discuss about some PowerPoint tips to use the PowerPoint more easier. First option is to increase the cursor size. To increase the cursor size, take your cursor all the way down, even below the status bar, and click the right mouse button. Select Taskbar Settings option. You will get a separate main window. From that, select Home menu. From Home menu, select Ease of Access option. From Ease of Access, you will get another window, main window. From that, select Cursor and Pointer option under the Vision tab. Vision tab is located in the left hand side. Under the Vision tab, you will get Cursor and Pointer option. Again, you will get a main window. From that window, you will get the option to change the pointer size and color. Now just watch the coming video for better understanding and try it yourself in your system. Next is zoom in option. If you are adding pictures on your slide and while presenting time or in your slideshow mode, you need to zoom and show the picture by holding the control key in your keyboard and scroll the mouse wheel to move up. That zooms your picture, and hold the control key and move the scroll wheel back to zoom out the picture. While zoom in, it is possible to move the picture from one place to another place on your screen. Next option is number your slide. This is such a basic option. It will make very easy on yourself to refer the different slides. To insert slide number, all you need to do, select Insert menu. In the text group, you can choose slide number. One window will pop up. Select slide number option. Then click Apply to all. Before click Apply to all, you can decide you want to show the number in the title slide or not. If you don't want, click this box. Click Apply to all. Now you can see the slide number. It's visible in all the slides, but the size is very small. So if you want to increase, click to View, go to Slide Master Layout, select the first title slide. You can see one hash symbol here. Here you can type the number and go to Home, increase the font size, and if you want to choose the color, choose the color. Go to Slide Master window and close the view. Now you can see your slide number size is increased. Next option is Add Smart Dates. To add date on your title slide, again select the Insert menu. In the text group, you will get Select Date and Time option. One window will pop up. You can choose the format and click OK. Now the date is visible on your title slide. If you close the presentation and open it into the next day, then also you can see the updated date on your slide automatically. Next is use the B and W keys. Hit the B key on your keyboard. Immediately the screen goes black and hit on the enter key, it will come back to your presentation. And again click the W key from the keyboard. Your presentation screen will change to a whiteboard, and again hit the escape key to come back to your presentation. Okay children, now we learn 5 different options in PowerPoint. All should try in your own system. Thank you.